Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you a special and healthy recipe that's perfect for any occasion, whether you're looking for a light dinner or a nutritious lunch. Trust me, you won't regret trying this one. And if this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my new recipes. Today's recipe is lentil salad, an easy, delicious and highly nutritious dish. Let's start with the ingredients. We have lentils, onions, tomatoes, parsley and of course seasonings to give it that special flavour. First, rinse the lentils thoroughly and place them in a pot with enough water to cover. Cook for about 30 minutes until the lentils are soft. Once they're done, drain the lentils and set them aside to cool. While the lentils are cooling, finely chop the onions, dice the tomatoes into small cubes and chop the parsley. Mix everything together in a large bowl. Once the lentils have cooled, add them to the onion, tomato and parsley mixture. Now let's move on to the dressing that will bring the salad to life. We're using seasonings like salt, pepper, lemon juice and olive oil. Mix them together well and pour the dressing over the salad, stirring everything gently to combine all the flavours. When it comes to presentation, you can either serve the salad in a large dish or portion it into individual bowls. You can garnish it with lemon slices or a bit of chopped parsley to make it look even more appetising. Here's a tip to maintain the freshness and look of the salad. Only add the dressing right before serving. This way, the lentils and veggies will stay crisp and flavourful. Now let me tell you about some of the amazing health benefits of this recipe. Lentils are an excellent source of plant-based protein, perfect for vegetarians. Packed with fibre, they help with digestion. They're rich in iron, which is great for preventing anemia. Onions boost your immune system with their antioxidants. Tomatoes are full of vitamin C to strengthen your immune system. Parsley helps detoxify your body. Natural seasonings like lemon and olive oil aid in digestion and support heart health. It's low in calories, making it perfect for those on a diet. It helps regulate blood sugar levels. It's packed with essential minerals and vitamins your body needs every day. And that's it for today's recipe. I hope you enjoyed it and that you'll give it a try. Don't forget to share the recipe with your friends and let me know how it turns out in the comments. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on my latest recipes.